Welcome everyone. We are here to discuss mantra number 8 of No Stopping You, gratitude. Gratitude is the best attitude, but we take things for granted.
Yes, Sanjay. Being grateful is the best attitude. We don't think twice before complaining, but we think 100 times before telling a thank you or appreciating someone for something. Isn't that ironical?
But whom should we be grateful for?
Well, I think there are plenty of things and people we can be thankful to and things that we can be thankful for. Let's start with our own life.
But why should one be grateful like this? We are deemed grateful, so why show it?
क्योंकि जो दिखता है वही दिखता है.
What is Dikta and Dikta? I didn't get it.
You will never get him, Shonadi. He is a complicated one. He meant unless we express our thankfulness, we won't feel its importance and neither will others.
And it's better to feel grateful for things and people before we lose them because of negligence.
Every morning, even I wake up writing down 10 things which make me feel good. Whatever has gone good, I note them down, and seeing them makes me feel very good.
Exactly, one has to feel it. Like probably when we write it down, it enters our subconscious mind.
So friends, I have an idea. We all are here, we all are listening to everyone right now. So why not to do it right now? Everyone's listening for which we are grateful.
Very nice
What's
idea. Very, very good idea. I am grateful that I am alive amid this chaos of corona. There are many people who are not alive. They are not fortunate. They are struggling with the daily codes and everything. So I am grateful that I am alive, and so are you all.
Yeah.
Yes.
And even I'm grateful that I am safe and my family is safe too. We are together in lockdown and we be together. Not many they are with their families and hunger is widespread. Thank you.
Yes.
In the era of job sacking, I am very grateful that my job is secured and I am having the same as per previous days also.
That is indeed a very big blessing in this crucial time.
And I am grateful that once maid used to come to my house. And in such a situation, how they must be facing all the problems, I don't guess. So I am very much grateful to all those people, all those household help workers.
Yes.
I am grateful that I have a house to live in and I can pursue my studies. There are not many fortunate ones who can continue their studies in this period. So I am grateful to them.
Yes.
And I have a long list to, thank. I'm grateful to all the doctors, police officers, our prime minister, ministers. They are taking such a huge risk. They are risking their own lives for us. Also the soldiers and everyone actually.
Yes, true, and I am
Yes.
grateful for everyone for believing in me and trusting me, for allowing me to pursue my passion. Not everyone gets a chance to pursue what they really want. So I'm thankful and grateful to all those people with me or who are still not with me. So indeed, you all are blessed.
Amazing. That's amazing. See, we are grateful for so many things which we might not have been realized before we thought on this. I'll tell you something, every day if I note down the things which I'm grateful to and read it, it really makes me feel very good and energized.
Yeah, and you know what, Harsh? Like I got this thing, like gratitude journal. I asked my students to make it and list at least one thing. And it is very important that we inculcate this habit right from the beginning. But it's never too late.
This is an amazing idea. I think I'll start right away.
And ma'am has given plenty of examples in a book, No Stopping You, where we actually lack gratitude.
Yes, those are actually eye-opening.
Yeah, so from today we shall make a diary and we will list out the things for which they are grateful for and we will feel it.
And yes, when we maintain diary, we will know, how many things we are grateful for and how many problems we don't have. So it is always better to count your blessings than count your problems. So to know more about mantra, gratitude, grab a copy of No Stopping You and have a good read. The Kindle version is out. And know that nothing in the world can stop you from achieving the life of your dreams because there is no stopping you.
Stopping you.
No stopping.
No stopping you.